adult, pigs in a blanket.
But Perry's house was built right, bricks and stone. He took Mama's
Roll out
advice
crescent
and built a
rolls.
sturdy home. The wolf was tired of games and craved a BLT. This house was gonna fall and he'd catch those piggies. Yummy!
Little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin.
Add olive oil.
And a puff, and a huff, and a puff, and a huff, and a puff, and a blow your house in.
He huffed and he puffed, but to his dismay, the house didn't fall. The pigs cried hooray. The wolf howled a fit and he ran away. His piggy lunch would have to come another day. Sorry. Pip and Pig said to Pete, how could we be so dumb? Should have built out a brick and listened to Mom. Then they wrapped their little hooves around their brother Perry, who had saved their lives from the wolf so scary.
Sprinkle on Parmesan cheese.
Pies, treats, and sweets won't ever compare to what they learned that day, though it gave them a scare. If you make a plan, make sure to do it.
Add hot dog and roll up.
Make a mixture of pinch black pepper, pinch salt, pinch Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 egg.
Rub onto crescent roll. Cook at 350 degrees for 14 minutes.